information for a Petcoke and then Gypsum sand. Okay, we're doing a lot of detailed evaluation of the sand, and more like a quantity survey to evaluate the volume itself of that material. Okay.
A few moments later.
We're doing a detailed 3D survey and more 2D and 3D survey for this Petcoke. Alright, and this will be done with an advanced surveying drone with a differential GPS and coupled with remote sensing and GIS software. Alright, so we'll be using more of our big drones. Right now it's taking the position of the coordinates. The GI matrix. Yes guys, we are trying to get coordinates with GPS locations. So the coordinates is going to be sent to their application. So they go to the locations and pinpoint those coordinates. So we are doing a 3D stand. We are giving it side capturing and also getting the top view and the side view. We used to get the elevation in 3D.